Today, let's learn how to make our point of view consistent. Before we start, please have a look at these sentences. Have you found anything strange? Yes, it's talking about an earthquake in 1906, but it seems the city burns at present. Reader may be confused this way. Let's have another sentence to consider. This should be easier for us to understand because the tenses are all the same. In this lesson, we will look at consistencies on verbs and pronouns. First, verb tenses should not be changed if unnecessary. Be careful if writing two or more tenses once in an idea. Now, you can see we unify the tenses so that we can understand the sentence. Jen does all the steps at the same time. When we are describing something happened in the past or done in the past, keep the tenses unified so that we can understand Jen did all the steps in the past at once. Besides the consistency with verbs, consistency with pronouns should also be noticed. We should keep the person pronouns consistent to make readers know who we are talking or writing about. For example, one of the fringe benefits of my job is that you can use a company credit card for gasoline. Well, writing about my job while explaining it through another person's point of view can make readers misunderstand the idea we're discussing here. So, we should make the pronouns consistent, referring to the same person. Here is my and I. Here we have another example. Can you find the difference between them? Now, let's practice what we've learned. Are you ready? Let's go. First, find the verb in each sentence. Can you identify in what tense are they written? Let's modify the rest of the sentence. Here are the answers. You can decide if the other verb should be written in past or present tense, judging by the first ones. Now, let's keep the pronouns consistent. Can you identify which person's point of view is being referred in each sentence? Good job! Here are the answers. Let's review today's lesson. In this lesson, we talked about how to make point of views in your writing consistent. Remember two elements: tenses of verb and person pronouns. Dealing with these two elements, do not change them unnecessarily. Okay, that's the lesson for today. Thanks for joining us. The online course is funded by the Ministry of Education.